guys, this is the next outfit that I'm going to work on. This is going to be a romper. So if you guys see, this is the shape for the shorts. But if you guys know, I extend my shorts. I want my shorts to be a little longer. This is the shape for the top. So if you guys see, I got two pieces cut out, because one is going to be with the bone and then the inside. And then the other one is go on the top, sorry. And this is going to be the back piece. And if you guys see, I got it with the pins, because I'm going to thread elastic through there. So you're going to have two of these pieces, and one. So guys, when you cut this piece, right, this shape, cut it actual bigger, because when you go to cut this piece right here, guys, and give it this, when you give it this nice curvature, it's going to get smaller. So you won't be able to fit it if you don't add an additional 2 inches on this piece. And then we're going to put some boning in there. So I got to sew all these pieces together, put the boning in there. But I'm about to take a break, lunch break, go have some lunch, and I'll come back and complete this process. But these are the shapes that you need, guys. And hold on a second, I'm going to show you guys my pattern. Just do your newspaper. So, you guys see how I came up with this shape? This is my newspaper. And these are going to be where the boning is going to go. So this is the pattern paper. This the back. And if you guys see, this is longer, because you're going to fold this, or this part. That's my fold. You're going to fold this part, and that's going to make it line up. If you guys see, some of you line it up, and it's going to case in there, and it's going to be the back of the tube. So that's how you get that part, guys. Alrighty then, happy sewing, guys. Bye-bye. Hey guys, so this is what it's looking like so far, but I didn't have a lot of fabric to begin with. I had very little fabric, so I try to take very little fabric and turn nothing into something. But this is going to be a no-go, because this top is definitely too small. So I definitely need more fabric. And I think that with me trying to make this type of top, guys, I needed to put some interfacing to make it stiffer, and I definitely needed more meters of fabric, and this split is like way too deep. So I would say that I'm not gonna connect it, because yeah, it's, you know, but this is the look that I was looking for. As far as, you know, the shorts is okay, but I'm gonna have to get some more fabric and do the top part over, because this is not working out, guys. But to make that pattern, guys, go ahead and make that pattern, and definitely have some more meters, make it a little bit bigger. I had very little fabric to work with, so I wind up, you know, this is what it's looking like so far. But then you just connect it. But to me, this top is too tiny, and I do have boning in it, guys, but I'm not going to connect it. So it does have the boning in it, so I'll connect it, you know, if I were wear it, but it got the boning in it. But the top is too small for me. So guys, put this outfit together. Give yourself more wiggle room. And then hem the bottom. And then hem. So, thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. But this one I got to do over. The top I don't like. But I just want to show you guys so far. Alrighty guys. Happy sewing. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots. So, guys, I'm going to have to buy some interfacing, guys, and make the top of this top more stiffer and make it a little bit bigger. I hate to start a project and not finish it, guys. So, I had to finish it, even though I don't like it. I'm going to do the tops over, but the shorts are fine. Thank you, guys, for watching. Happy sewing. Bye-bye.